And I think you should do it only today and don't postpone it, right? Because I have to write also a letter to her, yeah? Let's do that. Cities have been always a place where great civilizations have happened. We had to cater to two families, and they wanted to have two nearly identical dwelling units. Finally, through our simulations, we felt cutting the whole building in two units, stacking them on top of each other would be the right path. This building is about taking out spaces and creating voids. It is about redefining your place where you live, a home. So I see this piece of architecture more as a canvas for people to live in and to bring life into it. That's the idea behind, the key idea behind architecture. Good? Yep. The tea did it?
Cut.